The end of an era has arrived. The fifth and final season of Power Book 3, Raising Kanan, drops us into a tight 8-episode farewell run to close out the Thomas family saga. But long before the final curtain, the harsh realities of the hustle take center stage.
When you hustling, you ain't thinking about nobody but you. You telling yourself it's for all your people. You do this shit long enough, lies become the truth.
Rock survived the ambush, but the family is completely broken.
You ain't never had an enemy like me, Kanan.
I had you as an enemy my whole life.
Let's just say that they are one and the same. And they are alike in so many ways. They are each other, right? Like, they're reflections of one another, and it is dark, and they're both strong-willed, and no one's giving up without a fight.
Mother and son are officially at war, and the battlefield looks terrifyingly familiar. To survive it, Kanan is forced to completely cut the cord and step out from his mother's shadow to anchor his own kingdom.
Rockin' me done. She dead to me already.
Things with her could get messy.
I don't think he's gone full ruthless yet. Truthfully, candidly, there's a lot more that he does get into. He has to step up to the table that he set for himself.
Cementing his place in the Queen's drug trade means aligning with an infamous Southside powerhouse. The arrival of Breeze changes the trajectory of the entire street game.
You can expect influence from Ghost, from Tommy, and from Kanan. You feel me? From the original Power Book. Their performance influenced my interpretation of Breeze, and I just put a little sprinkle of Shameik on top.
But as the operation expands into Manhattan, it collides with high-level mafia syndicates, pushing the tension of the final season to an absolute breaking point.
He's got a new adversary in Joey Pants. It was a tour de force. They really wrote, they said, well, this is it, let's do it. And I can't tell you how many times at the reading you'd be sitting there going, oh my God, no.
You do this, there ain't no turning back.
Already, ain't no turning back.
I think this season, fans can expect another side of Marvin we haven't seen before. They're gonna feel whatever Marvin is feeling, they're gonna feel, so that'd be good.
You know what they say about family, man? Can't live with them, can't live with them.
I feel like that's one of the greatest things about Unique. You never know what to expect. So expect the unexpected.
There is no turning back. The final war has officially begun, with new episodes of Raising Kanan streaming weekly on STARZ.
This is a Southside Jamaica Queen story.